He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. In Him, my God, will I trust. I had to let y'all hear what I have to hear every single day of my whole entire life. But I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. Anyway, this is the local garden. Now it has sprouted apple trees. We usually go to one veggie. Now this is the fruit garden. Garden. It's so pretty. Like, oh my goodness, like they had so much apples, and you already know we was grounding. That's why she barefoot. She is like contemplating to dig her little clean hands in that gravel, in that dirt. But y'all already know I was a tomboy when I was little, so I definitely understand. I want her to be free and do what she want to do. Once, see, look at that. You see that? Y'all see. Y'all saw behind me. Meanwhile, I got an apple. What does she have? Gravel and dirt. But it's all good. But let me know in the comments, do y'all have a local garden that y'all go to? I know like everybody is vegan that watches me, but yeah, Miss Attitude, she was like, are you recording me? Yeah, so I had to move it, angle it so y'all can see clearer. Basically, yeah, mommy is getting down and dirty. The apples that fell on the floor on the ground, they basically had like holes in it, and some of them was like rotten and got wormed and all that. So I was just trying to show y'all, you feel me, the good ones. So pretty. Look at this. And y'all know like the ones from the earth, the real ones, the one that's not in the supermarket, that's already made up or pretty, this is how they look naturally. So I don't care. But yeah, your girl ain't eating all that. Okay, yeah, look at them. You see them? Oh my goodness, what a blessing though. That's like a great tree. I already know I'm gonna do a lot of meditations, a lot of meditating videos underneath. Doesn't it in the middle right there look like a heart? Like, look, that's my tripod. Okay, thank you, Rockstar, for helping me out always.
Oh my, that is done. What?
Good job. You're not scared. Good job. It's an ant. Yeah.
It didn't like me.
It does like you. Yeah.
You don't bite.
Nope. It's not gonna bite you.
A big cloud.
That is a big cloud. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right in there.
Come. Yeah. So good. So pretty out here. Look at that mountain. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Look at that. Mountainside. The clouds. I'm flying first class up in the sky. Yep, we're going to the fair, right? Going to the fair. Whew. I'm coming. The icy. Oh, at the WIC office, right? At the WIC office. For the food, for your nutrition.
I want my tag.
You want what?
My tag.
Put your piece on. Peace.
Mommy, I want to.
Just put your hands on. Sorry. Did we miss it? I think we missed it. That's so sweet. Go ahead. I'm ready. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. That's fast. Whoa. Whoa. Huh? Cheese and macaroni. No? Yee, look at mommy. Wee. Ding, 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 ding. Whew. It's Snoopy. What?
See the time?
It's a little free library. Oh, look at that. Oh. Okay. Yay, it's all for us. Have fun. She's so excited. Whew. I'm gonna sit down in the shade over there. This is no. Oh, he wanna sit down. Okay, here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yay. I'm looking. You know how to do it?
I know.
Let me see. Ding digga ding digga ding digga ding digga ding ding. Ding digga ding digga ding. Me? I can't fit on that. I'm cleaning the fridge. You see the bag? And why is there a comb? Can somebody tell me? Oh, please help. All y'all that have kids, why? Why do they do this?